Hey, my dear beautiful viewer. I am Shiraj. I am from Bangladesh. I am a leather goods designer. Today I showing you a beautiful drawing, ladies bag drawing. This drawing sent to me Japan buyer, and I make first paper pattern. Okay, you see, this is the measurement sketch sheet. I following this measurement and making the paper pattern, and then we make final bag with leather. If you want to learn design and making the bag, please subscribe the channel now and join with us. Thank you so much.